It's so fucked, I don't know where to start. How long ago did you decide that you want to leave Philippines?
You need to pay 2,500.
And then what happens?
Before finish or before your flight, you must give another, to be exact, it's 3,500.
Is in like, you're going to go to Malta and you're going to make a shitload of money.
2 months we will pay you. So we're excited about it.
So it's now you're $8,000 in debt and you haven't started
Yet.
to inject shit.
Me, I received 33 euro first check. Second check is 66 euro.
So you worked for months and they gave you 99 euros.
So no money, no work, illegally already here.
But now you have a problem because now you have nowhere to stay.
If you know that you're in the right track or in the right, you can fight for it.
So you remember that every day.
Yes, and make myself happy. Enjoy life because it's short.